Hello and welcome. I'm Sarah with GotSafety here with today's lesson on building evacuation. Before we begin, remember to sign off on your mobile device or on GotSafety.com to receive credit for this training. If you feel the need to pause this video at any time to have a discussion, we encourage you to do so. While workplaces are generally safe, there could come a time when employees may be required to evacuate the building for their own safety. Building evacuations can be chaotic if employees do not know what to do and where to go. When evacuating a building, employees should follow their company's evacuation plan, which can be found as part of the Emergency Action Plan. This lesson will cover the situations that may require a building evacuation, practice drills, what to do when evacuating a building, and the responsibilities of a regular versus a designated employee when evacuating a building. You may be asking yourself, what situation would require me to evacuate the building? Buildings can be evacuated for reasons that include fire, bomb threat or suspicious package, chemical spill or hazardous material, natural disaster, including hurricane, flood, tornado, and so forth, and even workplace violence or threats. In order to be better prepared for each of these scenarios, you may need to have practice drills. Similar to how school practice fire drills, employees should practice their workplace evacuation plan. Practice drills help employees become familiar with exit routes and assembly points. Drills should be conducted as though there is a real emergency. All employees should participate in practice drills to become familiar with all evacuation procedures. Practice drills can provide important information on how effective an evacuation plan is and how improvements can be made. After practicing an evacuation wardens should look at the following.
Hey everyone! If you just watched this video and are thinking, how do I get more of these videos? Click on this link or go to GotSafety.com and we'll show you how you can digitally sign and record employee training records, build custom forms, or even access your OSHA documentation. Go to GotSafety.com right now or call 1-800-734-3574 for more information.